I'm Carson Sands, and this is my wife, Taryn Sands. We own a CPA firm in Decatur, Texas called Sands CPA. What we want to talk about today is a tax guide that we wrote. It's a guide for everything you need to know about taxes and starting a new business. It's called What Your CPA Wants You to Know About Starting a Business. Clever, right? Made readable by his non-CPA wife. Because, as you know, CPAs are more for the numbers, not so much with the words.
We wrote this guide to help entrepreneurs save time and money when starting a business. The guide contains all the information you need to start a business and run it properly. This isn't your typical how to start a business guide. We don't explain how to get new clients or how to get the capital to start a business. So the guide assumes that readers already have a really great business idea and they just need help with the paperwork side of the business.
So who is this guide written for? This is for anybody that's starting a business or that already has a business and feels like there's more information that they need in order to run their business the best way. This could be an Etsy shop you're running out of your house, or it could be a huge company renting equipment. It doesn't matter. If you're starting a new business, this book can help you. What we see is that so many people start off the wrong way and they make mistakes that cost them so much more than if they had just done it right to begin with. So the reason we wanted to write this book is that it would take 10 meetings to go over all the information that's in here. And new businesses don't have the budget for 10 meetings with a CPA. That can cost thousands of dollars. But this guide contains every bit of that information and more. And you can read through it as you need it. Not all the information is necessary at all times. You might not have employees yet, but when you get them, the book's right there waiting with all the answers to all of your questions. Questions like, is the business name I want even available?
Do I need an LLC?
What kind of entity should we be?
Should I convert to an S-Corp?
Do I need to get an EIN, and what is an EIN?
How do I open a bank account?
And what is bookkeeping? Do I have to have QuickBooks?
What are my bookkeeping options? Can I use a spreadsheet?
How do I track income and expenses through the year?
What do I do about credit cards?
Do I need to get a CPA right now?
How do I find a good CPA?
And how can I save money on accounting fees? So don't spend hundreds or thousands of dollars just to sit in your CPA's office and ask those questions. All the answers are available in this guide.
So the first part of this guide is all about the steps that it takes to start a business. Step by step, exactly what you need to do or what you should hire your CPA to do on how to get your business started. After that, we've included so much information about how to run a business once it's started. In the back, there's a glossary for each term, so if you don't know what a 940 is, a 941, W-2, 1099, all of that is laid out for you so you can flip back and easily see that. Also, we've included things like yearly checklists, when do you file quarterly reports, who has to do that, sales tax, when do you file that. So don't let the title of the guide fool you. It has all the steps to start a business, but it has so much information about running a business once you get it started too.
As I mentioned before, you could spend hundreds or thousands of dollars to get all of this information through meetings with your CPA, but we want this information to be available to everyone, even people that have a really small budget or even no budget for their accounting. And so we've priced this book at a cost that's equal to half of the cost of one meeting with a CPA. That way everyone can start their business out on the right foot and they don't fail before they even get started.